Let's discuss the part B of this question, that is 55th bit. Already the work done we got from the part A, which was 2356.19 kilojoules per kg. So that was the work done. Now applying the first law for a cycle, it is the net heat transfer has to be the net work done. I mean, whatever the summation of all the algebraic summation of all the heat transfer taking in a cycle has to be equal to the algebraic sum of heat transfer taking in a work done, because the internal energy comes back to the same state in a cyclic process. So heat added minus heat resetted should be equal to the net work done. Okay, so heat added is something which we don't know. Heat resetted is given as 1000, and net work done we already got from the first bit, which is 2356.9. so this becomes 3356.19 kilojoules. Now in a minute you will understand why we calculated heat added. Okay, so this is QA minus 1000 is this. Okay, and this quantity is QA, right? Let's keep that as separate. Okay, I mean, from this you can understand that, because you just add 1000 to 2, you get Q. Now efficiency of a cycle is work done by heat, the total work done, net work done by heat added. Okay, so how much of heat you can convert into work done? So what the work done is 2356 and heat added is 3356.19. so going by this, the efficiency comes out to a 0.7. so it's close to 70.2%. okay, the answer is D for this. Thank you.